Hello and welcome to Shri Academy online teaching classes. Today in English I am going to start lesson 1, the Black Beauty. But before starting the lesson, you should know the word meanings of hard word. So today we will learn the hard words. So the first word is tale. Tale, tale. The word meaning of tale is true narrative or story. The second is handsome. 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 Handsome means attractive. Once again, handsome means attractive. The next word is farm. 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 The word meaning of farm is an area of land used for growing crops and keeping animals. Once again, what is the meaning of farm? An area of land used for growing crops or keeping animals. The next word is carefree. 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 The meaning of it is with no problems or worries. Once again, what is the meaning of carefree? With no problems or worries. The next word is colt. 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 The word meaning of colt is a young male horse. Once again, the meaning of colt is a young male horse. The next word is enough. 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 The word meaning of enough is as much as. Once again, the meaning of enough is as much as. The next word is gallop. Once again, Gallop. Gallop means to go at the faster speed. Once again, what is the word meaning of gallop? To go at the fastest speed. The next word is kick. Kick means to hit or move something with your foot. Once again, the meaning of kick is to hit or move something with your foot. The next word is kind. 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 Kind means caring about others. Once again, kind means caring about others. Next word is born. Born. Born means to come into world by birth. Once again, to come into the world by birth. The next word is twice. Twice. Twice means two times. Once again, the word meaning of twice is two times. The next word is hide. Hide. Hide means to keep something secret. Once again, hide. Hide means to keep something secret. The next word is gentle. 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 Gentle means kind and calm. Once again, gentle. Gentle means kind and calm. The next word is plow. Ploughs. Plow means a large farm tool which is pulled by a tractor. Once again, a large farm tool which is pulled by a tractor. The next word is hedge. Hedge. Hedge means a way of protecting oneself against financial loss. Once again, a way of protecting oneself against financial loss. The next word is happened. Happened. Happened means as a matter of fact. Once again, happened means as a matter of fact. Next word is notice. Notice. Notice means detect or observe. Once again, means to detect or observe. Next word is cruel. Cruel. Cruel means to cause physical or mental pain. Once again, cruel means to cause physical or mental pain. The next word is scolded. Scolded. Scolded means to speak angrily to somebody. Once again, scolded means to speak angrily to somebody. The next word is examined. Examined. Examined means to verify. Once again, examine means to verify. The next word is trouble. 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 Trouble means difficulty or problems. Once again, troubles mean difficulty or problems. The next word is grazed. Grazed. Grazed means to eat grass into the field. Once again, grazed. Grazed means eat grass in a field. The next word is meadow. Meadow. Meadow means a piece of grassland. Once again, Meadow means a piece of grassland. The next word is creature. Creature. Creature means a fictional or imaginary being. Once again, creature means a fictional or imaginary being. The next word is realized. 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 Realize means to understand clearly. Once again, realize means to understand clearly. The next word is startled. Startled. Startled means feeling or showing sudden shock or alarm. Once again, feeling or showing sudden shock or alarm. The next word is harness. Harness. Harness means a set of straps and fitting by which a horse is fastened to a cart, plow, etc. and is controlled by its driver. Now next word is saddle. Saddle. Saddle means a seat fastened on the back of a horse. Once again, a seat fastened on the back of a horse. Next word is bridle. Bridle. Bridle means the headgear used to control a horse. Once again, the headgear used to control a horse. Okay, student, thank you for today's class. And now this is your homework. You have to write all the word meanings and to learn it also.